Hello there. So in today's video, I'm talking all about 7 pretty awesome drugstore products that I'm loving right now. Some of these are pretty new, some are new to me, some are pretty great for fall. They're all available at Walmart. This video is in partnership with Walmart. I shop there. I know you guys do too. Their beauty department contains not just drugstore products, but some high-end products as well. So it's pretty extensive. You can get free 2-day shipping on most items. You can order online or pick up in store. It's just super, super easy. And I do a mix of high-end and affordable here on my channel. So I wanted to focus on affordable today because I know a lot of you really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get into my first product that I've just been using, reaching for, and loving a ton lately. Now, before I get into it, if you are not subscribed to my channel, if this is your first time here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. So this first product is what is on my lips, and I'm talking about that first because I'm either going to top this with something during the video or I'm going to just completely change it out because I have another lip product in the video. So what I have on today is the Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade Leading the Way. Now, this isn't a new product, but it is a top rated product at Walmart. This shade in particular, I think, is a really great shade for fall because it's a neutral medium pink, but it does have a little bit of coolness to it, which just goes perfectly with a lot of those browns and creams and things that we tend to pull out in the fall. So I wanted to focus on it today. I have talked about this product before because I have it in red. It's really great if you're looking for a product that feels good on the lips, but it stays on. I know a lot of you enjoy these as much as I do, and so I wanted to focus on this shade in particular if you like neutral pinks or if you're looking for, you know, something cut with a little something for fall. I haven't heard these mentioned very much, and I think they're really great. These are the e.l.f. facial oil mists. I've been using these to refresh my makeup during the day, to just kind of take away that powdery look, kind of like I would use, you know, other products that I have in my makeup stash right now. But these in particular have different properties. So this one is for soothing. This is the one that I've been reaching for the most. This one is for balancing, and this one is for restoring. There's a few others too. These are the ones that I have. They each have a different focus depending on what they're infused with. And I just find that the scents are really nice. My skin is sensitive and they haven't, you know, done anything bad to my skin. I really, really like the soothing one though. I like the scent of it. The spray is really even and soothing on all of them. I love the effect they give my makeup, or, you know, if I'm not wearing makeup, they just feel good on the face. These are called facial oil mists, which is kind of weird for someone with oily combination skin to want to use with their makeup, but I've had no problem with these. I just really love these a lot. So I wanted to share these with you because I've been reaching for them almost every day. Now, I have no idea how long this product has been out. I just think it's really great, and I just discovered it recently, and I think it could be such a great addition to anyone's makeup routine. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Now, a lot of people use this as a setting powder. I use it as a finishing powder. After my makeup is completely finished, I will lightly dust it over top with a soft brush just to give an airbrushed look. I feel like it's great for that because it does have kind of a soft focus look to it, which is perfect for someone with oily combination skin to use as a finishing powder. I think if you have normal to dry skin, this would be gorgeous as a setting powder. It's got a rotating sifter, which is great for travel. The powder inside seems much more expensive than what it is. I've been extremely impressed with the quality of this and just how it looks on the skin. It just smooths everything out and hides the pores and does everything that you want a setting powder or a finishing powder to do, and at a great price. So if you have not picked this up, it would definitely be worth doing so. Oh, and I have the shade medium since I do use it as a finishing powder. If I was using it as a setting powder, I would get one of the lighter shades just because I don't like to use tinted setting powders. This next product I ordered on a whim. I have no idea why, but I'm really glad I did. This is the Neutrogena It Matters Mattifying Primer Stick. Now, I used another primer stick, a high-end one time, and it was just okay. It didn't really perform that well. I don't know why I thought this one would perform well, but it does. There's no scent to this at all, which is nice. I can just glide this on my skin where I want my primer and kind of just blend it out with my fingers where I feel it's necessary, even though it's invisible when I apply it. The shine is taken away instantly, but it doesn't feel like there's anything on my face. It just makes everything really smooth and silky, and my pores are minimized, which is always a good thing. It's lightweight and it's performed well with all the foundations that I've used it with. I find that it does keep me matte. It doesn't feel silicone-y or feel like it's sliding off my face during the day. I like to have makeup options that are quick and easy and that are very air travel friendly for when you travel by air. And this is just great to have in my makeup arsenal. I've been reaching for this a lot because it is quick and easy. I was surprised by this product actually. So this is one that I definitely had to put in this video. I've just been sitting here, I've been thinking how I need to tell you guys about it, and this was a great video to do that in. This is the Found Mattifying Makeup Setting Spray with Red Tea. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from this brand, Found. They're exclusive to Walmart. I have not tried that much from them, but so far the things I've tried, I've enjoyed. I've actually been kind of blown away by this. This mattifies really well without making my face feel tight. I feel like budget sprays, the actual nozzle, the sprays are getting better now, but you know, a lot of times the spray can be uneven and it's kind of an issue. This one is one of the good ones. It sprays evenly on the face, and I have really been liking this a lot. So if you're someone like me and you live in hot and humid weather, or you just have very long days, or you know, you have a day that goes into the night, or you get shiny in your T-zone and you just want to make sure you stay matte for a long time, maybe you have a day where you're not going to be able to blot or touch up or something, you may want to check this out. I was pleasantly surprised with this. This is kind of an oldie, but a goodie that I haven't talked about a lot, but I need to mention it because it's a great option for a drugstore bronzer. And I feel like I talk about a lot of other drugstore bronzers instead of this one, and I don't know why. It's kind of an unsung hero. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer Waterproof Bronzing Powder. I have the shade Sunlight. There are several shades to choose from. I do feel like I could go a little bit deeper, but this is more about the performance. I mean, I can still see this bronzer when it's on my face. This bronzer looks so natural on the skin and it lasts a long time. Now it says it's a waterproof bronzer, and I live in a hot and humid area. It can get hot enough to where you beat up with sweat on your face. I have been rained on when I've worn this, and it just lasts and it looks really, really good when you wear it. It's kind of underrated, and I'm mentioning it now as we're going into fall because I don't know about you, but I'm someone that tends to pull out bronzer more in the fall and winter because I just don't want to look pasty. And so I like to have a good natural looking bronzer for when I get paler in those, you know, colder months. And this is just a good budget bronzer. It's a top rated product at Walmart for a reason. Okay, I have a feeling these are going to be mentioned on my channel a lot because I cannot stop using them. One is living in my purse pretty much all the time, and I know a lot of people are talking about these. They are somewhat new, but they're not, you know, like yesterday new. These are the Maybelline Lifter Glosses, and they have hyaluronic acid in them. I have two shades. I have the shade Amber and I have the shade Topaz. The formula is very, very similar to me to Fenty Gloss Bombs. Super similar. They smell good, they feel good, they nourish, they look great on the lips. I cannot get enough of these. I'm just gonna layer Amber over what I have on right now so that you guys can see it, and because it does have a tint to it. I don't know what it's gonna look like color-wise over the pink because it is kind of a peachy tone. So it came out deeper, but you can still see that peachy undertone when I wear it over a natural liner or over my bare lips. It's got a really just beautiful, glossy, kind of a light neutral peach that just is so, so pretty. They have substance to them, but they're not thick and goopy or sticky. I love them. They taste good. They smell good. I think I've already said that. But anyway, I'm just enamored with these. I think they're a great buy, and I know they have several shades. I I'm trying not to, pick up every shade, but who knows? Who knows what's going to happen with that? I just, had to tell you guys how much I've been loving these because I have a few drugstore glosses that I swear by, and I'm adding these to that mix for sure. I have an entire drugstore playlist as well as a dupes playlist. I will link them here on the screen and down below as well so that you can check those out if you haven't yet. I would love to hear any drugstore products that you've been loving. A lot of times I get suggestions from you guys that I end up loving a ton. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to Walmart for partnering with me on this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.